I'm going to hook up the delete function in main activity so that we can swipe to delete. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down in my onCreate, and here you're going to see some code that's similar to the waitlist app code that you made for the SQLite lesson. Basically, we have a item touch helper, which we create and then attach down here to the recycler view. Now the important function here is onSwiped, which you can probably see from these to-dos. OnSwiped is called whenever a user swipes left or right on the screen. In here, I'm going to start by getting the ID for the item that's being swiped in our recycler view. The value of this tag was set in the adapter class to be the ID of the view, which is why this works. Then we're going to construct the URI that points to the specific task, and I'll do that by turning this ID into a string, and then appending it to the content URI of task entry. Okay, so now we have this URI that is pointing to the specific item. So let's delete it, and we will delete it by calling our content resolver and telling it to delete the item using that URI. Remember that these two selection arguments here will be null. This is because we construct them later on in the content provider code, and we do it based off of the URI path. Now because we've deleted a task, the task directory has changed, so we're going to need to reload all that data. So I'm going to call getSupportLoaderManager, and I'm going to restart the loader. This will handle the query on the background thread, which is what we want. And then after you've completed this UI code, you could go ahead and run the app. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if I can swipe something off the list. Cool, and it updated. Now I can swipe left or right to delete any task.